Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to download apps without Apple ID password on iPhone, iPad, iOS 26 updated. So guys, let's get start the video without wasting your time. So first of all, open the App Store app and try to get any apps download. So now type App Store. Now any get apps, so any get apps download, try to now tap it. After that tap install. Now you can see it's asking Apple ID password. So how can download without Apple ID password? So back home screen, close the page on your phone. So open settings and then tap on screen time. After that scroll down, now tap on content and restrictions. Guys, you can tap on iTunes. Now here is reveal password, so click on don't forget password and tap allow. Now scroll down and then tap here passcode and face ID. Now tap here and don't allow. So back and then tap here turn off content and restrictions, then scroll down and turn off app and website activity, turn off. So tap on lock screen and settings. So back and then close the page, open App Store app and get any apps download without Apple ID password. So guys, if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching videos. Thank you.